In this video, we'll look at how to show hydrogen bonds in our structure. So in the actions video, I mentioned a way to do this, and I'd just like to go through that again. So at protein, we can go to action, presets, and then technical, which shows us all of the hydrogen bonds in the structure. However, the structure color changes as well as the representation to sticks. So if we would like to, for example, see the hydrogen bonds between the ligand, we can see that over here. So now let's look at the other way to do this. So we go again to preset, just set it back to default, and let's show it as a cartoon. Okay, so go to the protein, we say action, we go to find polar contacts, and then within selection. All of these yellow dashed lines show us the hydrogen bonds between the main backbone as well as side chains. It is the same as the technical preset, but now the structure representation remains as we have chosen it, and the color also remains the same. But let's say we would like to see the hydrogen bonds around a particular ligand. So to do that, let's delete these polar contacts object that has been created. Let's go to the ligand over here, and we can see that it is not included in the protein chain. So let's say show as sticks. Let's make it a blue color. So now that we have the molecule selected, we do a right click, actions, find polar contacts, and then to other atoms in the object, and we can see that the hydrogen bonds are illustrated with the backbone and side chains of the protein. However, this yellow is not showing up nicely. So what we can do is go to color, and for example, make it a white. We can see it a bit better, but this does not show us the distances of the hydrogen bond. So then to see that, we go to the polar contacts object, label, show labels, and we can see that the distances are now shown on the structure. And as we've mentioned previously, what we now can do is go to the mouse panel, do a right click, then press Control, do a left click, and then we can drag the distances so that it is not on the dotted line itself.